So I chose Colorado School of Mines because it had a great geophysical program, but also an amazing and very unique humanitarian engineering program. It's very unique in that it engages with the students and has that one-on-one faculty and student relationship. You can really get to know your professors, and we really get to learn how to communicate with communities, how to really be a tool for them. Because yeah, it's great that you want to help others, but you really have to know how to help them and serve them most effectively.
When I started in mines, I thought engineers do math problems all day and sit in a cubicle and maybe design a few projects here and there. But humanitarian engineering has taught me that being an engineer is being socially engaged, and being socially engaged can only help you better the products that you're making and better serve the people that you're trying to benefit. In one of the humanitarian engineering courses called Projects for People, we worked on this design throughout the semester. I was fortunate enough to be a part of a team that traveled to Peru to work on a water filtration system. We went to Peru to survey the community members that we are hoping to implement the project in, and we were able to come back with lots of good data and lots of lessons learned about how we could improve our design.
I think there's a common tendency to believe that engineering is very technical and it's all math and science and the numbers. Yes, we do have to learn all that technical material. You have to go to your classes. But it's also very important to realize that engineering doesn't take place in a vacuum. You deal with people that belong to a particular social and political and cultural context, and you have to be able to identify those aspects, those realms, and be able to work with them.
All I did really was enroll in the first class, and after a couple weeks of that class, Engineering and Sustainable Community Development, I fell in love with the concepts, everything that was being taught, and just the way that engineering was applied to real people, real situations, and it wasn't any more crunching numbers. It actually kind of taught me to question that and to challenge crunching numbers. Just math in, math out, and there's your answer. It really challenged me to think, how is this affecting the people? What design am I doing? Why am I designing this? And how the user would actually use that design.
The humanitarian engineering classes at Mines have been the most fun and the most interesting of any class I've ever taken here. Specifically, I've taken classes on community engagement and corporate social responsibility, which are also going to be incorporated into a new minor called Leadership and Social Responsibility that really dives deeper into the relationship between industry and communities and social impact between the two. And because of those different courses, they've given me techniques on how to improve my communication skills, how to be able to relate to both engineers and to community members who don't have that kind of technical knowledge. And without those classes, I never would have been able to gain those skills. So you get to be able to experience other students and share your knowledge and communicate ideas with other students that share those similar values and who understand this relationship that plenty of other students don't understand. And that is really valuable within your academic career. It gives you a lot of passion and a lot of motivation to continue engineering and to be a positive engineer.